It started to hail in the Colosseum! The Pokémon are softly lit by the glow of the crystals. The blue corner suddenly calls their Pokémon back. Froslass is sent out. The battle begins! The red corner makes the first attack. It didn't do anything. The situation is a bit of a stalemate. It's a mental tug-of-war as they anticipate each other's move. The blue corner calls their Pokémon back. Walrein is sent out. Walrein restored its health. The air in the Colosseum is tense. A brilliant hit. A frigid shot from Blizzard. Taken down by an intense blow. Pikachu is sent out. The blue corner has the lead when comparing the number of remaining Pokémon, but we still can't predict the outcome of the battle. The blue corner calls their Pokémon back. Mamoswine is sent out. A fierce blow. The blue corner barely holds on. Red corner calls their Pokémon back. Charizard is sent out. The blue corner shifts out their Pokémon as well. Articuno is sent out. Well, both corners still have a chance to win this. Who's going to take the glory? Charizard starts to attack. A fierce blow. It's a direct hit. Massive damage. can be felt in the Colosseum. It's down and out. Charizard is slowly losing its health. It's not going to be able to withstand much more. Weavile is sent out. In terms of the number of remaining Pokémon, it's an even 50-50. Both sides still have a chance to win. Bam! It's down and out. Is sent out. The mood in the Colosseum has become somewhat unsettling. The blue corner calls their Pokémon back. SnowStorm is sent out. It seems that its physical condition is not so good. It hits. Well, both corners still have a chance to win this. Who's going to take the glory? The red corner calls their Pokémon back. Empoleon is sent out. SnowStorm starts to attack. It hits. A chilling breeze can be felt in the Colosseum. Earthquake tears open the ground! A huge amount of damage! It's down! Pikachu is sent out. The blue corner currently leads. Can they end this quickly?